My topic today is unlock the secrets to closing sales in just 11 steps. Please help to like and share. If you have any feedback or question, please write in the comment. As a salesperson, closing deals is the ultimate goal. However, it can be tricky to get there. Luckily, there are proven techniques that can help you close sales more effectively. Here are 11 steps to unlock the secrets to closing sales. 1. Build rapport. The first step to closing a sale is building a relationship with your customer. This means taking the time to get to know them, their needs, and their pain points. Show genuine interest in their situation and ask questions to better understand their needs. This will help you build trust and rapport with them, making it easier to close the sale. 2. Identify the decision maker. Before you can close a sale, you need to know who the decision maker is. This is the person who has the final say in whether or not to make the purchase. If you're not sure who the decision maker is, ask your customer directly. This will save you time and effort in the long run. 3. Understand the customer's budget. Knowing your customer's budget is crucial in closing a sale. If the price is too high, they may not be able to afford it. If it's too low, they may not see the value in the product or service. Ask your customer about their budget early on in the conversation so you can tailor your pitch accordingly. 4. Highlight the benefits. When presenting your product or service, focus on the benefits rather than the features. Customers are more interested in how your product or service can solve their problems or make their lives easier than they are in the technical details. Highlight the benefits that are most relevant to your customer. 5. Address objections. It's common for customers to have objections or concerns about making a purchase. These objections can range from price to functionality to trust. It's important to address these objections head-on and provide solutions or reassurance. Listen carefully to your customer's objections and respond with empathy and understanding. 6. Use social proof. Social proof is a powerful tool in closing a sale. This is the idea that people are more likely to do something if they see others doing it. Use testimonials, case studies, and other forms of social proof to show your customer that others have had success with your product or service. 7. Create urgency. Creating a sense of urgency can encourage your customer to make a decision quickly. This can be done by offering limited-time discounts, highlighting the scarcity of the product or service, or emphasizing the potential consequences of not making the purchase. 8. Offer incentives. Offering incentives can also help close a sale. This can be in the form of a discount, a free trial, or a bonus product or service. These incentives can be the push your customer needs to make the purchase. 9. Ask for the sale. Asking for the sale is a crucial step in closing a deal. This can be as simple as asking, "Are you ready to make the purchase?" Or, "What do you think about moving forward with this?" Be confident in your pitch and don't be afraid to ask for the sale. 10. Follow up. Following up with your customer after the sale is just as important as closing it. This shows your customer that you value their business and are committed to their satisfaction. Follow up with a thank you note or email, and be available to answer any questions or concerns they may have. 11. Learn from rejection. Not every sale will close, and that's okay. Use rejection as an opportunity to learn and improve your sales techniques. Ask for feedback from your customer and use it to refine your approach in the future. In conclusion, closing a sale is a process that requires time, effort, and skill. By building rapport, understanding your customer's needs and budget, highlighting the benefits, addressing objections, using social proof, creating urgency, offering incentives, asking for the sale, following up, and learning from rejection, you can unlock the secrets to closing sales and increase your success rate. Thank you. Don't forget to like and share. If you have any feedback or question, please write in the comment.